guys, and welcome back. I'm almost 100% positive that you have recognized that song. So Greenday, Good Riddance, or Time of Your Life, whichever you prefer. It's actually just Good Riddance, I believe, but they always put in quotes like Time of Your Life. Great song, very easy. It's kind of just a few different shapes, a few different chords. I thought it would be a good tutorial to share with you guys. So I'm going to inch in close and show you the chord structure for this and play through it a few times. So follow along. We're going to start off with the intro, which is a G to a C add 9 to a D. Now, the good thing about this is those three chords all have a pivot finger right here on the B string. So we don't have to move this guy. When I say pivot, I mean we're just kind of leaving it there and moving around. So there's a lot of songs that do that here. So I'm going to show you how the intro goes. So here it is. This is the intro and the verse. Notice the G is twice as long as the C and the D. So the pattern for that, I'm going to show you. I'm going to scoot over here and get this hand. I kind of palm mute and I pull up on that B where my pivot is. I'm always just kind of accenting. So that's where you could just normally, like that's your up. So down, down, up. That's the strumming pattern for the whole song. Like I said, I like to accent, so I play that same pattern. That's how I do it. Okay, I'm going to walk you through the remainder of the song, the rest of the parts. That strumming is really cool. I tried to get in close. The way that I do it with the accent, I think, is a really cool way to do this song. When I play it live, that's how I do it. So if you want to like repeat that part and just watch a few times and try to get that down, the accents and the palm mutes really make it stand out. So and it doesn't take away from the overall feel or mood of the song. It kind of complements it when you're doing it solo acoustic. So just keep that in mind. There's really no wrong way to do things as long as you're doing it with the feel and the mood of the song in mind. So okay, that was the verse. That's going to walk into a pre-chorus, which is still, we have this pivot. So it's E minor, D. Now we have to move that pivot. We're going to go to a C, a full C, to a G, and we put that pivot back. So that's going to go. And that's the second part. So now we have the two parts. We have the intro. The pre-chorus. Now we're going to go into the chorus, which is pretty simple. I leave the pivot here. I think when he plays it, he just does E minor because he's strumming. I still leave that pivot because I'm still doing my palm muting and that accenting pattern. So I'm going to go from the pre-chorus into that chorus, and then I'm going to walk you through it vocally. So. Okay, now I'm going to walk you through what I did. I went E minor with that pivot still there to a G, E minor to a G, E minor to a D, and that's when I went back to the lick, the intro. So I will play through all three of those parts for you. That is it. So I'll play it with the actual strum. That was the actual, just the strumming pattern. So yeah, if you like to play it that way, or if it's easier to you to do that, I kind of gave you both options there. Like I said, I really like the accent. It just is kind of more my style, but this is not about me, it's about you. So yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment. If you have any suggestions or anything you want to hear, or have me like transcribe for you, I'm open to suggestions. So as always, please like and subscribe and help me keep doing what I love to do. I plan on doing this for a long time. So thanks for watching.